Hi, we will see today how to change an Euro lock cylinder. First, we have to unscrew this screw in the door. So we will open little by little, turning to the left. Until we put out the screw. This screw is fixing the Euro locker cylinder inside the door. We put it out. As you see, it's quite long. We try to put out the cylinder, the lock cylinder, but it's not possible because we have to use the key, because there is a little piece inside that move and not allowed putting out the cylinder, only if we put in the right position. So now we will try to put out the lock cylinder. We turn the key a little bit and try to pull out. Okay, the cylinder is going out now. Here is the cylinder, and in the middle the piece that is moving and allowing to close or to open the door. This piece should be in the right position, like inside, to allow to put out this cylinder. You can see that there is a hole where we can screw the screw. It's a bit dirty, so we will clean it a bit before we put it again, because it's still working well, so I will not change it for the moment. After we will clean it, I will put it again in the door. So now we will try to put it again. And what happened? It happened, but it's not too easy to put it in because it's very narrow. So we have to try by the other side, because always is easier than one side than the other one. And I have tried before, and this side work better. So we push this thing in the line of the cylinder to be able to insert inside the door the locker cylinder. We push here a bit and we try. We are going to move it to see if it's possible, but you go in. There is some difficulties, but it's not with every door. But this one is a bit more difficult, so I have to play a bit, but go inside. And after I put it in the right position, now is in the good position. I check the other side. Okay, so now I have just to put back the screw to fix the aero locker cylinder inside the door. So I put the screw and I will screw this. So this aero locker cylinder, with the time they work not too good, so we need to change it, or you can change it also if somebody have a copy of your keys and you don't want this person to have access to your place, so you have to change this aero locker cylinder. Now we have finished to screw. So now we have just to check if the locker is working well. We will turn the key to see how it goes. Turn, yeah, 1, 2, and 1, 2 back. I will try one last time. Like you see, it's working. So now you know how to change an aero cylinder locker.